Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi A8 with the key. First, locate the emergency key blade hidden within your key fob. Next, you'll need to access the door lock cylinder, which is often concealed. Once revealed, insert the key blade to manually unlock the driver's door. Finally, place the key fob in its designated spot inside the car to start the engine. To manually unlock your Audi A8, begin by removing the small, physical key blade from your electronic key fob. Look closely at the driver's side door handle for a small, often rectangular, cover. Gently pry this cover off to expose the hidden keyhole. Insert the metal key blade into this keyhole and turn it to unlock the door. Once you are inside your Audi A8, locate the specific area where the key fob needs to be placed. This is often a small slot or a marked area near the steering column or center console. Firmly place your entire key fob into this designated spot. With the key correctly positioned, press the engine start-stop button to ignite your vehicle. Always ensure your Audi A8 is in park or neutral before attempting to start it. If the car doesn't start, a weak key fob battery or car battery might be the issue. For specific details about your model, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. It's also a good idea to keep a spare key in a secure location for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.